Good morning, guys. Printed another Grandadisanoldman pen. I was rather pleased with the other one. This time I've written YouTube on this side of it. Can you see that? And that's me box of bits where I've used the plastic tubes, the outer tube body, years ago and saved all these. Don't know if I can do this one-handed. I won't push it all the way in yet, because I'll check that one actually works, just in case it gets stuck in there. So, there we go. A pen. Well, this is version 3. Version 1 worked fine. Version 2 I decided to write YouTube on this side, but I didn't allow for the overhang, so it didn't print perfectly. This time I've put a sloping ledge there, or a chamfer, and that's printed fine. So I might print another one of them. Might use some of the little bits that have been left over, because I've been using the short 5-meter coils that I bought in a charity shop a while back. Well, I used up some of the odd ends. And it looks like it might just finish off with orange and not go into that bit of blue that I've got there. Because we're on 99%. That's got to be about it. Yeah, didn't get onto the blue. So there we are. Oh, come on, lighting. Multicoloured Grandadisanoldman. That's version 3, but it's actually the 4th print I've done. Because I've done 2 version 3s. This is the multicoloured one, obviously. Right, I've printed 4 of them now. That was number 1. Just straightforward Grandadisanoldman. And obviously mirror image on the back. That was number 2, because it occurred to me that I could leave these for people to find, like I was doing the leave behind art, the painted rocks. So if I put YouTube on the back, people have got an idea of what to look for. But when I printed that one, I forgot that it doesn't print very well if you've got an overhang. You see that bit of filaments hanging loose there. So I designed it with a slope on the top, and that cured that. So that one printed absolutely fine. I need to clean that out a little bit so it slides in properly. Just jam that in there a bit too hard. Well, I'll sort that out in a minute. And then, because when I print these, they take about 4 meters of filament, and I've got these short reels of 5 meters. I use the leftover bits to print this one. I bet that one needs opening up a little bit as well. Yeah. There you go, that's gone in nicely. Just see if it'll actually write. Oh yeah. So that one's okay. That one's okay. That one's okay. Let's see if we can just get that one back out again. That's better. Get that one to work. Yeah. 4 out of 4. So, YouTube. Grandad is an old man. I can't quite imagine how old these are, but they must be several years old. Still got the pen tops and the bottoms and the actual innards, but not the actual plastic tubes because I've used them. And I may well leave these laying around somewhere, like leave behind art.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.